Hello, we're Sculpt OK. Now to introduce how to use Sculpt OK to turn an ordinary image into a high-quality 3D relief. First, perform image pre-processing. If the image clarity is low, we recommend using HD restoration. Meanwhile, we can click Remove Backgrounds to achieve better results. When generating the depth map, we have several models to choose from. Sculpt Pro 1.5 delivers precise structural accuracy and high portrait restoration fidelity. Sculpt Pro offers strong three-dimensionality and automatically optimizes images. The default resolution is 1K. If you select the Pro model, you can also output 2K or 4K quality. If you enable, the image may undergo slight scaling distortion, but it improves output quality. If you need the image to match the original exactly, please select Off. Additionally, AI optimization performs pre-3D processing on the image. While it introduces subtle changes, it significantly enhances the output's stereoscopic effect. After generating the grayscale map, click to enter 3D preview. In the base module, you can adjust various basic parameters of the relief. For example, dragging values to alter its form. In the material module, you can now select from multiple materials for effect preview, such as plastic, gray wood, brass, stone, bronze, steel, gold, clay, etc. Finally, in the text module, you can add text and adjust its parameters. This saves your presets and greatly improves your workflow efficiency. Please like and subscribe to us.